So this is what I do every day. I wake up. This is what I'm gonna do every day. I wake up. I'm gonna have 2 cups of coffee, iced coffee, no cream or sugar. Then, as I have the dirt and the ice and the water from the ice cubes and the dirt from the caffeine, I'm gonna have a brownie, pot brownie. And then I take my medicine. Pot brownie either before or after I take my medicine. Probably right as probably should put that on first. Probably should put the pot brownie on the dirt first before my psychotropic medication. And then I might get a cheeseburger. Yeah, cheeseburger. Because I love cheeseburgers from Big Top Burgers or